Billboard 442. Sticker, badge engineered. Luckily, it's 403 powered, super stock wheels. It's a very similar color to the yellow I had on my 1967 way back when I was a kid. It's the last year for the Colonnade Coupe, isn't it?
It is.
73 to 77, they sold like hotcakes.
Yeah.
And this one just brings back memories of high school, doesn't it?
It does. It sure does.
350 black interior, but this one's got a buckskin interior. Now, would it have a turbo 350 or a 400 with a 403? I'll tell you, hang on. Let's crawl underneath. And it has a turbo hydromatic 350. It does not have a catalytic converter, so the cross member's been tapped on. You can notch it also. It's got a very nice dual exhaust, beautifully bent. The guy knows what he's doing. This car is from Florida, and it's got a built 403 small block.
Let me open up the hood.
Sure, let's take a look. And the only thing wrong with this car is going to be repaired momentarily with a roll of black electric tape. We're going to fix that in a minute. After we look at this beautiful Colonnade Coupe, it's the last of the unloved Malaise era cars. It's got tilt and cruise and air conditioning and a rumpity cam.
Yeah.
And that's what's important, that it sound good. Because if it sounds good, it is good. Chrome valve covers and good small block Olds performance. I'm going to show you what I do to make this Olds close better. Problem is, GM had a better idea, but Ford had the best ideas. Speaking of which, Party Barge, two-door monster. You could land an airplane on that hood. Wow. Problem is, GM put a little plastic bushing on that door striker.
Okay.
And that bushing lasted all of 6 months, a year. How long ago was that? 30 years ago.
Right.
We're going to fix it with this right here. So if you don't mind, grab the camera. You can't see the screen, just eyeball it, shine it right here. I've got my roll of 50-cent electric tape. I might have to charge you a dime for the consumption.
Yeah, okay.
Well, maybe I'll make a one-time exception and won't charge you. All you do is simply wrap the electric tape approximately 10 times, and the door will close like butter. As long as the hinge pins aren't too badly worn, these big old GM Party Barges with their monster doors, GM had a good idea, but they should have put bigger bushings on. And one more wrap. Just like when you're having a taco, one more wrap. And now, 10 cents later, or maybe 2 cents later, let's see what we got. It may be better. It's not worse.
Oh, that's much better. That's much better.
So I do one for 10 cents, two for 25. You want to go for the whole deal?
I'll give you a quarter.
Let's try this one. Isn't that amazing?
Wow.
Yeah. Same problem here. Same disaster. The doors close like brand new, except when they don't.
Yeah. Well, it's amazing.
Can you believe a guy in a parking lot with a roll of electric tape?
That's
It
amazing.
may not ever happen again. Here, we've all got our part to play. You just hold the camera, and I'll do my magic electric tape repair. Nothing to it, just a little bit of electric tape around the striker. They sell new ones, but they're $10. Why would you want to buy a new one when for 2 cents worth of electric tape? And this will last a couple of years. These doors happen to close really well. Some people have got doors where the pins are totally worn and the striker's falling off the door because of slamming the door. This car must be a low mileage survivor. People try to adjust these things, move them back and forth. You can't adjust it. You need to fix what's wrong. And all you need is either a piece of PEX pipe or a new bushing, a new striker that has a new bushing, or electric tape.
I think electric tape is cheaper.
When it goes bad, all I gotta do is peel it off and put some more on. Let's see what we got. This one's in good shape. Someone's lubricated it.
Wow. That's amazing.
I'm Corvair Wild on YouTube.
That's amazing. I've been slamming that door for 2 years now.
I've had some people that I do that, and they keep slamming. I say, stop slamming the door.
Wow.
I'm in charge now.
You go by Andrew or Tony?
Corvair Wild on YouTube.
Corvair Wild.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, Corvair Wild, thank you very much.
Now crank this baby up. Let's hear a rumble.
Hey, have a safe trip back.
Well, I'm not leaving yet. I still got to go to Chicago.
Whatever you do.
Let's hear this baby, this 403 old small block rumble.
Thank you very much.
Crank it up. Let's hear it
Oh,
rumble.
okay.
Oh, if you don't mind, I'd like to hear that dual exhaust, that full dual exhaust. Someone did a beautiful job bending up the exhaust.
Yeah, I had that done after I bought it.
It looks really good. We don't need those stinking catalytic converters. Crank that baby up. Seems to me I heard this thing rumpity rumpity. Oh yeah, it's got a little twitch. Yep. Olds 442 Colonnade Coupe. Watch that door close. Whoop. A little bit more. Beautiful. That's why we come to Michigan. What a beautiful stainless steel rumble. And those pipes are tucked up so nice. Expert. Did a beautiful job. Nice rust-free Florida car.
I have to go tell the guy he did a great job. Well,
You
I
did.
did once, but
What a beautiful Colonnade Coupe Oldsmobile. The last of the full size. They went smaller in 78. The Rivieras and Tornados and Eldorados went downsized in 79. What a beautiful rumble. And those doors closed beautifully. Oh, it sounds sweet. Oh, so sweet. The sound of a high-performance 442 Oldsmobile. All right, one more good video, one more satisfied Corvair Wild customer.